I'd like you to home, Shinwa. Ah! Kwenzakalani? Where am I? Ow. Yini le? Ow. Ow. Ah!
Hello, Jacob. I wanna play a game.
It's over. It's over. Uphelile
Shut up, Koena man. Every day you make empty promises. You think the people are stupid, nah?
It wasn't me.
Shut up. The device in your head is a time-triggered hate trap. If you lose this game, the following will happen.
Ah!
But if you're winning so detail and dot, there's a door on your left-hand side. So put my lap on dot. All you have to do is read that one-page speech in front of you. You have only 60 seconds.
60 seconds? It's too short. It's too short. I can't do it.
Okay, Zuma was 60 minutes, kid.
It's not happening. It's impossible.
Okay, 6 days.
Eish, you see, I'm a contact lens army, ne? The expiry date was yesterday. So...
I'm imagine some police and done. You're useless. I'm giving you 6 seconds.
Wait!